Alright, YouTube, this can be all the ammo that I picked up. I do not stock FMJs, only stock defense and hunting ammo. So that's all you're going to see here. My FMJs I only buy when I'm going to go to the range, so I'll leave those out of the video. Anyways, so I have Federal HST 9mm, 50 rounds of Syntag, and 50 rounds of HST in their Train and Defend package. It's 124 grain standard pressure. A box of 20 Federal HST 124 grain standard pressure. 50 rounds of 6 Sauer Elite Defense V Crown 115 grain. Buffalo Bore 124 grain XTP. Some double tap 124 grain controlled expansion, sorry. Double tap 124 grain bonded defense, and Underwood 124 grain 100 XTP. Hornady Critical Duty 135 grain plus P. Liberty Overwatch 72 grain. And another box of Liberty Overwatch 72 grain. That's my 9mm that I picked up. My 300 Blackout that I picked up is the 110 grain VMAX from AAC, 2 boxes. 110 grain 300 Blackout from AAC, their Saber line. This is going to be the Saber Blade Black Tip. And that's 5 boxes of those. From Underwood, their Nosler Tip, 125 grain 300 Blackout. And then Liberty Overwatch, 96 grain. And 2 boxes of their Cellular and Bellot 110 grain blue tips. Their TXRG. Now on to 10mm. I have 2 Liberty Overwatches. That's gonna be 70 grain for the 10mm. I have 2 boxes of the Premium Extreme Defender 115 grain from Underwood. I have 2 boxes of the 135 grain Nosler Tip from Underwood. I have a double tap 200 grain controlled expansion from Double Tap. Underwood 155 grain XTP, 2 of them. Buffalo Bore Heavy 10mm 180 grain XTP. Double Tap 180 grain bonded defense. And then on my hard cast, I have Underwood 220 grain, Buffalo Bore 220 grain, and Double Tap 200 grain. Alright, YouTube, see you.